How can I determine the best hair color for my skin tone?
Hello, lovely viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of hair colors and discovering how you can pick the perfect shade that complements your skin tone. Remember, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty, and choosing the right hair color can make all the difference.
Why does skin tone matter?
When choosing a hair color, your skin tone plays a crucial role because it determines which shades will enhance your features and which might wash you out. Picking the right color can illuminate your skin, make your eyes pop, and overall give you a glowing, harmonious appearance.
How to determine your skin tone?
1. Wrist test. Look at the veins on your wrist. If they appear blue or purple, you have cool undertones. If they're green, you have warm undertones. 2. Jewelry test. Do you think you look better in silver or gold jewelry? Silver typically suits those with cool undertones, while gold complements those with warm undertones. 3. Sun reaction. How does your skin react to the sun? If you burn easily, you likely have cool undertones. If you tan quickly, you probably have warm undertones.
Picking the right hair color for your skin tone.
For cool undertones, fair skin, opt for ash blondes, soft mochas, and light chestnut browns. Medium skin, go for rich browns, burgundies, and ash browns. Dark skin, choose deep blues, blacks, or even purples for a bold look. For warm undertones, fair skin, golden blondes, caramel, honey, and strawberry reds are your best friends. Medium skin, auburn, rich golden browns, and chestnuts will look great. Dark skin, warm chocolate, caramel, or golden undertones in dark hair are fantastic.
What about neutral skin tones?
If you find you don't fit strictly into warm or cool categories, you might have a neutral skin tone. This gives you more flexibility, allowing you to pull off both warm and cool shades, depending on your mood or preference. Just remember to stay away from extremely ashy or overly warm colors. There you have it. Now you're equipped to find the perfect hair color that flatters your skin tone. Remember, it's all about complementing and enhancing your natural beauty. Don't be afraid to experiment and consult with a trusted hairstylist. Enjoy your hair journey, and we hope this guide has been helpful.